So the easiest way to answer this question is to write these prime factors into a Venn diagram. But to start with, so that you can see how this works, I'm just going to rewrite the prime factors of both of these numbers, but without the powers. So that as I'm going through, I can cross off each individual prime factor as I go. So this is A, B would then be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. And placing this into a Venn diagram on the right hand side here, I need two fairly large circles so that I've got enough room to write this. And I'm going to label one of them as A and one of them as B. So everything inside this circle for A is going to contain the numbers 2, 2, 3, 5 and 5, and everything inside the circle B is going to contain the numbers 2, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 7. Now you'll notice in both of these lists we've got two lots of the number 2. So I'm going to start by crossing these off, and this can go in the middle, and I can write it as 2 squared, so 2 times 2. Also in both of these lists I've got a number 3. So I can put another number 3 into the middle. And now there's nothing else that these two numbers share as prime factors. For A, we've got a 5 and a 5 left over, and that's going to go in this part here, so for 5 squared. And B has the numbers 2, 3 and 7 left over, and that goes in the section for B. Now when I want to find the highest common factor, I simply look at these numbers in the middle, so where they cross over, so the prime factors that they share. So the highest common factor would be equal to 2 squared times 3, which you can work out is equal to 12. The lowest common multiple is going to be every single prime factor in this diagram multiplied together. Okay, so we've got 3 lots of the number 2, so 2 cubed. We've got 2 lots of the number 3, so 3 squared. And we have 2 lots of the number 5, so 5 squared. And we also have the number 7. And we can multiply all of those together, and you get 12,600. What you could also do for the lowest common multiple, as we looked at earlier, is multiply all of the prime factors of A and B together and then divide that by the highest common factor, which is 12, and you should get exactly the same answer.